Right, students, good evening. Online students, am I audible to you? Can you please confirm once? Online students, please confirm it. Okay. Right, students. So next, happy Girls' Day. Happy Women's Day actually, but I converted into Happy Girls' Day. Not understanding. Because if I say Happy Women's Day, it's not good enough. Okay, let it be. Now, Happy Boys' Day is not there. There are not there. Why it is not there? Huh? In 4 o'clock, my batch student said that every day is a boys' day, he said. I said that's why jobs are not coming. So, come to the point back. So, Ramesh Reddy is saying boys are not much greater than women. So, okay. So, Ramesh Reddy is saying that. Okay, good opinion. Okay, anyhow, we will start, students. So, now we'll go for today is the most important session. Okay, students, please concentrate well. And today's class, I'm starting the exact syllabus, exact first topic in the course, starting with getting started with Python. Getting started with Python programming. So there what we are discussing, the most important, and we have to make our laptops ready. Right? My favorite student. Yesterday absent, present. Okay, I did not see you. Okay, very good. Are you okay? Seeing the TV? Huh? So you can sit here now. No problem. Sit there. No problem. Now, coming to the point of it, here I am going to start with, see students, what I am going to talk here, index, history of Python, and nobody will ask an interview point of view about this. As a teacher, I would like to share these points, history of Python, and next I would like to talk about versions of Python, very, very important. Versions of Python, how many types of versions are available, we'll explain. And next, we'll talk about downloading process of Python, and next, installation of Python. This is what today's agenda. And next after that, we'll be entering into Python programming inspired from that I will explain. That is the next agenda. And most important, we are entering features of Python. Our coding will start from here. That is the next level discussion we are going to talk. So today we have to make our laptops ready. And once again, I am saying, in yesterday's class, the students who are maybe new students, Infinix Hot 112022, Infinix Hot HOT 22 are not audible. Please relog in, my dear student. Relog in so that you can get it. So, dear students, am I audible to everybody? Can you please confirm once? Please type one small message in the chat box. Right? Don't raise the hands. So please type it. Okay, students. Thank you. Now let us move to the historical development of Python. And in yesterday's session, I just discussed about a small points I said. That is real-time applications developed by using Python. Yesterday's class I started, guys. And this is the one which I said. Even I uploaded these notes in the Google Drive class. One small point I would like to conclude it. I requested to all of you to join freely into one group. There is a Google Drive class we created. You join in that to get my concepts which I am saying daily for few days in the sense not 15 days, 20 days, up to 1 week. I'll be saying after that the link will change. Up to that you go on attending it, understand first the subject, later we will see other things. And one more thing I am saying that the Google Drive classroom link, you can understand Aswita, student name Aswita. Our admin will contact, our admin will tell you the information about what? The Google Drive class. Even I can show now, within 1 minute, I can show you how to join in that. Because yesterday I seen it in the evening time. Many people did not utilize that group. I'll just show you. You can join in that group by using this code, Google Drive code. So in every class of mine, you will be having a Google Drive class. Daily, I am going to send you the notes for you students. There it is your batch code. In this place, I'm going to keep this 1 week data, and this is available. The classroom code is this one. Using this code, you can join in this group. There I'm going to keep the every day, whatever I discuss, I'll keep it. And this is the third day, actual subject is starting. They are giving now first day video audio link, and the second day also audio link is given. And we don't give everyday audio links. It is given only for a few days because people are going on joining it. For them, we are going to give you this thing. Yesterday's class, suppose today, if anybody is new, you can join using this link. You will join in this link and you can listen this. By clicking on this, you will get one YouTube link will come. You can listen what I taught yesterday. Getting my students? Right. Now I'm going to say, I'll continue my session. Yesterday, I just discussed the real-time applications developed by using Python programming. I just uploaded in the notes. So you can just right click on it and you can say open in new link in your system, and there you will get like this and you can download. This is the message. This is the document I said. You can click on it and you can say 3 dots are there. You can click on download. You can download, you can write the notes. Okay, students? Fine. This is a system of what? Attending the classes, downloading the notes and writing the notes. After going the notes, if you write it, it is equal to 10 times reading. Okay. In the classroom, what you will do, 1 hour, 45 minutes, completely I will go on explaining. Once programming will start, we'll do the classroom problem solving approaches. So I will tell you the 1 or 2 days action plan later. Action plan later will be starting. Once coding will start, our action plan will be different. Okay. So, right. Ashutosh Kumar, happy Holi for everybody. Okay. Now we will celebrate the Holi of Python. Okay. You are from Bihar. Very good. So, Ashutosh, wish you the same. Let me start the historical development of Python. Shall we start, students? Right. Come on, not showing readiness. Don't sit like you are 21 years of education. I already told you. Shall we start? Not saying anything. Tired, huh? Retired, huh? No. Say, reply, please. It's my request for all the students. Please reply. Please reply. The moment when you started replying, you will get English, you will get good programming knowledge, plus you will get confidence by yourself. You will get hungry to attend interviews. If you sit like a Gautama Buddha statue, rain will come on us only, heart will come on us only, everything will be on us. We will be there only. There is no improvement in our career. That's why reply. Boys, especially. Girls, anyhow, they will reply. I know they are very sincere. Boys, if you don't reply, I will ask the questions. Compulsory. If I don't ask questions, interviewer will ask the questions. Rather than failing there, you practice in my class. Okay, na? Right. Please support and to get good career by yourself. Let's start. Historical development of Python. Yes. Pujita, one more thing, ma'am. answering during the class discussion is not possible. Pujita, I told already to the online students, at the end of the class, I told already in the last day, day before yesterday, I'll give mic for you. You can speak directly to me. Okay, ma Pujita? Directly you can speak regarding your doubts. You can speak to me directly. So actually 99.99% you will not get the subject doubts, because I will explain crystal clear explanation I will give you. You will get a doubt about your career. Sir, I did BTech. After that 6 years bank coaching taken, job did not come. What to do now? Right? And before you are going to bank coaching, you did not ask me, right? First of all, sir, I did some MBA. After that, I worked somewhere. I have this gap. That are not doubts of subject. That is a career related, how to fill up the gaps. That I explained already. Once you have standard coding standards, you take my words as it is in the class. Once you have standard coding, this is only the area you will get the jobs perfectly. In other kind of areas, they will verify a lot of background verification. In the Python, it's a new trending programming language. There is no such verifications. This is a fresher period, even though you have 3 years, 4 years. Because keeping 6 years gap, some fake experience, where are the previous 6 years back? Where are the projects? Right? I will be guiding that type of things in the class. Let me start the topic. Okay, students. Pujita, I hope you understand, ma. Let me start the syllabus now. Now, before entering into the topic, we need to start from 0 level. And once again, I am saying last and final. To learn this Python programming, I don't want your C basics, don't want your C++, don't want any of your subject. I want just layman's. Only skeleton is there. Everything I will take care in the class. Of course, I am not expecting that you already know some basics and all. Do you know basics? Do you know basics? Girls, do you know basics? No. So, I'm going to start. Don't worry. I'll take everything from myself. A solid programming I'll explain. Try to understand, reply, so that I can take care about rest of them. Python programming. See, students, Python programming language. Python programming language conceived in the year. I'm going to write the word called what? Conceived in the year 1980. And nobody will remember this historical development. Nobody will ask you, because as a teacher, before entering into the subject, I'll give some introduction about the subject. Python programming language conceived in the year 1980. That means the conceived in the sense now, it is nothing but, in a simple terminology, foundation stone put in the year 1980. So, when the Python language initiated? 1980. Boys, if you don't speak, I will remove the chairs. You will sit on the ground. Start. When it is conceived. Right, slowly. Talking like that, and roof will go slowly, decently. Which year? Like that. See, girls will say, which year? Like that. Say once. Very good. Now I am going to say, Python programming language started its implementation. Python programming language implementation, because you need to get this technical words. Implementation means what? Bring into action. Implementation was begun. So I hope you can understand little English. Began, because I'm talking about past tense. Was begun in the year 1989. When the implementation started in 1989. Slowly. Conceived in which year? 1980. Began in which year? Beautiful. Now, Python programming language officially released in officially released in the year 1991 February. 1991 February. Are you following me? If you want the date and all those things, I'll tell you. And right now we don't celebrate any birthday celebrations. So Python programming language officially released in which year? 1991. All these things I will show you one document for you, official documentation. Dear students, remember one thing, anything you learn, it should be practically sound. If anybody asks you, show me this entire thing, you should able to show to the interviewer. And a lot of things I'll explain. At the end of it, I'll give you a clear-cut explanation of every class. You'll be understanding and there is no problem for you. Now I'm going to write it. Python programming language developed by Guido van Rossum. He is a father of Python language. Who developed Python language, guys? Guido van Rossum. Who is called what, ma? Father of Python. Father of which language? Python. Who is the father of Python? Guido van Rossum. Simply I will call it as what? Rossum. Good. The Python programming language developed at CWI Institute in Netherlands. And CWI stands for your favorite answer because you like full forms very much. Already you expressed in day before yesterday, first day. What is OS? Great, you are. What is WWW? Nice. You are gold medalist. But don't tell anywhere from now onwards. I want to take you on my control. Don't tell full forms, students. It's my advice. Because as a real-time programmer, I am telling to you, anybody says full form, interviewer will have wrong impression about you. What is OS? You tell about OS, you tell about 10 to 15 minutes. You tell about what is WWW, you explain it. Practically, you explain it. Telling full forms after our 21 years education is over, not good. You also know that. Right or not? Is it correct point or not? If we know, you explain the subject. Practically be practical. Netherlands, I'm saying that. Centrum, I'm just writing for your understanding. Centrum, Wiskunde. So I'm writing here, Wiskunde, Informatica. So Informatica is the full form of what? CWI. It is one research institute in the country called what? Netherlands. So Python developed in which country? Netherlands. Who developed it? Guido van Rossum. Simply you call it as what? Rossum. When it is actually conceived in which year? 1980. Implementation began in where? Officially released in? Very good. Now, Python programming language managed and maintained by a non-commercial organization. My dear students, please listen, ma. Listen. Don't write it. Please listen. Listen. I will give the notes for you. Don't worry. First, understand. I'll give these notes directly. It will come to your mail. Directly, it will come to you. Please put your concentration. Observe it. What I am explaining. Python's programming language maintained and managed by a non-commercial organization. What do you mean by non-commercial organization? When you are getting any service from that organization, we never pay single NP to them. Such organizations are called what? Non-commercial organization. When you do anything you want to get from organization, they are expecting some type of financial expectation from you. That is known as what? Commercial organization. So, Python programming language managed and maintained by non-commercial organization called what you know? Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation. And it is simply called as what? PSF. PSF. That means managed and maintained means what? All version upgradation, some old features removal, new features adding, copyrights reserved, additions, and new features adding, and then forum maintenance, and then public draft releasing, LTS supports. I'll explain all these things in the class. All are done by what? An organization called what? PSF. The official website of Python Software Foundation. The official website of Python Software Foundation is what you know, students, is www.python.org. Is called what? Python.org. So one can download the software from where? www.python.org. Let us look at that. I'll go to the Google. After going to home, you need to do this, my dear students. You need to do, after going to home, you have to make your laptop ready like that. www.python.org. Are you seeing on the top of that? All of you, are you okay? Right. So www.python.org. Online students, are you comfortable with my explanation here? Are you following me carefully? Everybody, please respond. Right. Good. So www.python.org, you see that this is an interface of our things. What is this now? PSF, about the documents, about these jobs and the community. And Python have a lot of large community. Community in the sense, if any issues will come, if we post our query, that issues related solutions will come. Across the globe, lot of data scientists, data journalists, machine learning engineers, business intelligence analyzers, so many are there in this community. Any issue is coming, that issue can be resolved in fraction of seconds. And now you see about this, what are the various applications you can develop Python? Now you see what is the word there written. Python is a programming language that lets you to work more quickly and integrate your systems more effectively. Yesterday also I said, learning Python is equal to learning about modules. If you have that thought in your mind, you can do wonders. Learning Python is equal to learning about theory, that is gone. Learning about Python is nothing but learning about beautiful modules. Who has to give? A trainer who is training in the class, he has to explain modules so perfectly in the class. Then only we can come up. If faculty teaches only theory, no use, nobody will ask. Concept is required, concept implementation required in the coding. So one example, two examples, middle example, easy example, medium example, and so complex based examples. This type of coding will enhance your skills. Without coding, nobody will get the jobs. That is, you know, total industry knows. Now coming to that, what are the various applications you can develop? Click on that. Yesterday I said, here they are mentioning only 5. And I wrote a lot of applications. You can type in the internet also. World-class applications developed by using this is an official website. Web and internet application development. Next is called scientific and what? Numeric applications. In education programs, in desktop GUI applications. Yesterday I told you GUI. What is GUI? Graphical user interface only I said, don't tell. I told yesterday, look and feel applications are called what? GUI. What you see, what you understand based applications are called GUI. When you say certain answer, interviewer has to feel very happy. He is a real-time student. He is a practical student. GUI, graphical user interface. I can understand total temperature of yours. Nothing is there in the body. Waste. If you tell what you see, what you understand based applications are called GUI application, definitely that student is talented. He has the programming knowledge. That's why he is able to say the definitions. Next is called software development. And next is what? Business apps. What we speak in interviews, that should be practical. Don't speak anything else other than that. We cannot add our own spicy to the subject. What is given? we have to speak. And day by day, your classroom strength will go to peaks. If you read the daily, if you reply, and if you write the notes, and if you come to the class, see that you can't believe by yourself. After a few minutes, I'll come to back. Downloading process also will come. Let me continue this. Let me continue. Now I'm going to say, now I want to, this is comes under what? Come on, historical development of which language? Python language. From this, I expect you to remember a few words. Who is the father of Python? Rossum. In which year it is conceived in? Good. Implementation begin in? Officially released in? Good. Who is maintaining the Python software? Python Software Foundation. What is PSF? Don't tell this word. PSF is one of the non-commercial organization maintaining and managing which software? Python. And PSF stands for this one. That is the way to answer it. What is PSF? Python Software Foundation. You'll say, take your luggage and go to home. What is PSF? It is a non-commercial organization. It is maintaining and managing Python software. PSF stands for. You see how technically you are explaining? So understanding this way of presentation in interviews are very important. Whatever you like it, if you present it, nothing will come out of it. I'll tell you a lot of ways and means how to answer the questions. That is selecting in interviews. After selecting in interviews, how to survive in the companies. With coding, you can survive. Without coding, even though you select in interviews, they will remove after 2 months. Damn sure that is. Now, coming to the next part, I am going to discuss versions of Python. This is very simple and nobody will ask in interview. Only for the student, additional knowledge purpose you need to know. Now I am talking about most important versions of what I am talking. Python language I am talking. Versions of Python I am going to talk. So simple, students. Look at. Before that, I would like to ask some small question. Some small question I want to ask you. In this class, how many of you know C language? C language, stand up. Today you only came first day. Right, stand up. Okay, how many of you know C language? You also know C language. Okay. Okay. First day. Already you are coming. Third day. Okay. So first day. Okay. Which version of C language you learned? Which version of C language you learned? If you say, I will type in the Google. Yes. But very good student is accepting. But C language completed. Right. One more question. Last and final question. Lot of students knows, but they did not raise because already they are seeing 3 days and why he is a dangerous guy. Unnecessarily raising hand, you will catch. You are my favorite student. Don't worry. Now I will write it. Girls, I don't ask questions because in 2006, one bitter experience has happened. That's why I don't ask questions because they will understand my mindset. I'm little strict in the class. In subject point of view, I'll give you like anything. Now, first question in C language. Don't feel, guys, because what I am saying, that is a pakka statement I am saying. Hash include stdio.h. This line is called what? Preprocessor directive. Preprocessor directive. Even this question I was asked already. Preprocessor directive or pre-compiler statement we can call. Now I am asking a question. Now I am asking 4 questions here. What is the purpose of symbol hash? What is the purpose of include? What is the purpose of this angular brackets? I can use instead of angular bracket, I can use within the double quotes also. What is the purpose of hash? Don't know. I'm not asking girl question, but she's saying beginning only like that. So, but we wrote every program, we wrote it. Hash include std hash include math.h, hash include conio.h. After that, we don't write anything because that is the buttified statements. Sit down. Basic. Is it a basic or not? Then, if somebody asks you, do you know C language? Yes, I know C language. Person like me asking that question, will you answer it? Then see, if I teach C language, point to point, every point I will execute and I'll show. That is the way of teaching. Remember always. Just writing like that and then you buttify, that is not the way. Because already it is over. Now you are coming to the job related kind of subject. Are you following? You search in the internet, you will not find this because these are the technical points. Only the faculty has to show. If a student is very good, you are like a white page, but how to fill the content in the white page, it purely depends on the teacher. Student will grow only based on the faculty talent, that's all. If the faculty is intelligent, student will become automatically intelligent. They will change at least. Compulsory you will change it with my explanation. Definitely I will change you. And which version of C language you know? Neither sir will say, nor student will get the awareness. Then when you go to interview, compulsory question this is. Leave it. Leave it. No issue at all. No issue at all. Now I am talking about it. No problem. Because we are not going for C-based interviews. Now, when you come to real-time practices, it is a mandatory for you people to know the versioning. You need to know what? Versioning process you need to know. Versioning process you need to know. I want to tell you a simple example first. When you go to mobile shop, because I want to take from the 0 level, because every student has to understand my lecture. You will go to a mobile shop, you will buy the mobile. You will see a lot of models or not? Come on. You will see a lot of models or not? Samsung, this model, A model, B model, C model, lot of model numbers will be there or not? What is that model number? They will say this is a last year model, this is a last before year, this is a this model. They will say some models are not. 2023 model, 2022 model. Which model you will buy? 2023, latest you will buy. The 2022, 2023 are called what? Version. Version is nothing but a numerical integer values they are using for identification purpose. Suppose when we develop any project for ICICI banking, carefully my dear students follow. ICICI banking, if you develop it by some company, after completion of the total project, they will give the name to that project. What is the name they are giving? ICICI. Coming to the point of it, I am writing there 1.0. 1.0. Are you able to follow? What is that 1.0? Understand. ICICI is a project name. One is called major version and a dot right side is called minor version. What is one is called? Major version. What is 0 called? Minor version. After a few years after running it, ICICI banking introduced. After one year, ICICI banking introduced some insurance also they introduced. Some insurance policies also they introduced. So the banking only they are doing insurance also. Definitely that project need to update or not. And it will be contacted to the same organization where they developed it. They develop it for by taking 6 months. They will add that insurance automation also. They will develop what? ICICI 1.1 they will release. 1.1 they will release. What did you understand? Left side of dot, major version. Right side of dot is called. What did you understand between 1.0 and 1.1? Which is a recent one? This is called an older version of 1.1 or not? That means, are they carrying or not? Come on. Next, that means ICICI 1.1 is carrying the 1.0 features and they are adding some new coding and they are becoming the current one. Next, after a few years, one more kind of updation is done by themselves. What is that? ICICI 1.2. ICICI 1.2. After some more days, they are introducing what? ICICI 1.3. After some more years, they will do ICICI 1.4. What is this? One is called major version. .1, .2, .3, .4 are called what? Minor versions they are called. Are you understanding versioning here? Like that, when you come to the Python programming also, Python programming contains three types of versions. Python programming language. See students, Python programming language contains three types of versions. They are, carefully follow students. Number one is called Python 1.x. Python 1.x. What is this one is called? Just now I said here one is called, come on ma, very good, major version. Python is called what? Major version. And 1 minute, here x represents 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 6, etc. Is called what? Yes, minor version. How can you understand 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, etc.? 1.x is known as what here? X. X is known as what? Minor version. That one is known as what? Major version we can call. Are you able to follow me? Now, as on today, this type of version is totally outdated, which is not there in the software companies now. It is totally outdated. Okay. Later on, next second version came into the picture. That is the Python 2.x version came. After 1.x, 2.x version came. Same to same I will write it. Here I am writing here. I am saying here, you follow me. Here, 1 is called, 2 is called what? You try to understand one thing. 1 is completely, major version is completely changed. When major version is changing, lot of changes has done inside. When minor version is changing, small changes has done. When major version is changing, rapid changes will be done in the software. So 2 is called a major version, and this X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 7 only they did. This is called what? Minor version. My dear students, one point I want to say. Generally, most of the people will think like other languages. Of course, people don't know about the version. Just now I asked a question. Python 1.x, they will think that it is carry forwarded in development of a Python 2.x. In Python, this is not the situation. At the time of development of Python 2.x, they did not carry what? Python 1.x, they did not carry. They did not carry Python 1.x facilities into 2.x. Python 2.x is completely designed from the scratch. Python 2.x is completely designed from the scratch. So Python 2.x, I am writing one important note. Python 2.x does not support what? Backward compatibility. Backward compatibility is not there. I hope you are understanding this word. Python programming does not contain backward compatibility. That means during the development of Python 2.x, they did not carry the single feature of Python 1.x. They designed a completely new feature. That's why people are feeling very simple in writing the code of what? Python. Why it is becoming less lines of code and more meaning? Even in last class I shown you, writing a calendar application in Python is very easy compared to other languages. It's not only like that, there are so many type of applications which we are discussing. Python 2.x is not at all containing the single feature of 1.x. A small illustration I would like to give you here. A small illustration. Your grandfather has given one type of building which is constructed in 1947 is given to you. Which is in Amirpet, Hyderabad, is given to you, which was constructed in 1947. This is one building. So this is the one. In 2023, you decided to construct the first floor. Is it a good idea? Is it a good idea? If you construct a 2023 first floor, we don't know when it will be collapsed. When you are constructing the first floor, your total concentration is on the bottom floor. And there are a lot of maintenance activities are required. What you will do? A wise person will collapse this everything and construct the 2023 what? First floor, second floor, any number of floors from the beginning onwards you are creating. It is something like what? Python 1.x this is. Python 2.x it is. Rosum has taken the idea of something like this. It is the best idea so that they need not to think about what much maintenance issues here. I hope you are carrying my point. So Python language does not contain what? Python programming does not contain what? Backward compatibility. Python programming is always freshly designed for everything. As on today, Python programming, Python 2.x also outdated. Python 2.x also outdated. Next, last student, last but one, those who came now. Listen the class. Just now you came now, watching mobile, huh? Watching mobile. You came to the class now. Listen. Watching mobile? Both of you. Listen the class if you are interested. So, come to the point of it. Because once you came to the class, you try to listen. You are seeing something, he is observing something, that is only becoming problem. So, interested? Listen. Now, Python, next is called what you know? Python 3.x version came, which is currently using in the industry. Now here, same 3 represents what here? Python 3. This 3 is called what? Major version. This X is called what you know? 8, 9, and next I am writing 10 and 11, and next is called what? 12 is also there. The companies are using up to here are called what? Secured. This 10 and 11 are called what? They are still under what? Bug fixing stage. Bug fixing stage. They released it, still the documentation under development. And Python 3.12 is called what? Future. Is called what? Future release, which is yet to release, which is going to come. This Python 3.11 just came last October 2022. This version is released. Now, what is the current version of our Python? Python 3.x. What is our current version? So 3.x. 3 is called what version? Major version. This X represents what? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And companies are using nowadays for artificial intelligence and data science applications, and majority of the applications done by what? Python. Which type of software is, which type of things are using? Python 3.8 and 3.9 is using, because they are what? Secured. And Python 3.10 and 3.11 recently released it. They are still under bug fixing stage. And then next there is a concept called what? 3.12, which is a future release. Let me show you this entire process. How many versions are there Python? Here also I am writing here one more point here. Python 3.x does not contain what? Backward compatibility. Python 3.x did not carry the features of what? Python 2.x did not carry the features of what? Ultimately, Python does not contain what? Backward compatibility. But almost all the programming languages contains backward compatibility. Let me go to that now. Already official website I told. What is an official website of Python? www.python.org. Let's go to that once here now. www.python.org. Latecomers, please look at that. www.python.org. I'll go for what now? About. Just now you have seen it. Go to where? Downloads. Observe it. Now under this what? Download for what? Windows. Download for what? Mac. Download for other platforms also you can download. Now, download for 3.11.2. What is 3? Very good. What is 11? Good. That 2 is their alpha beta versions we can call. I will explain in the class because that is not an issue. That will be changing for every 1 month, 2 months, like that it will change. Nothing to bother about it. Before going to that, I will go for what? Please read out. Please read out this. Note that Python 3.9 plus means Python 3.9, Python 3.10, etc. cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. In order to work with Python 3.9 onwards, you need to have minimum what? Windows 8 when you are working with. Windows 9 and 10 and everything, it will be running. You cannot use what? Windows 7 and then before. So to work with Python, what is required? Minimum Windows 8 operating system is required, and other OSs, there is no such restriction. Go to what? View. Come on, so look at that. View what? Full of downloads. Now just look into that. View full of downloads. You come to, my dear students, please look at that and carefully observe it. Active Python releases. See that Python 3.11, 3.10 are under what? Bug fixing stage. Python 3.9 and 3.8 are under what? Secured mode. And the MNCs are using related to Python. Everything is what? 3.9 and 3.8. The anything is secured, it will be there minimum 20 years. Even Python 2.x also was there minimum 20 years. They provide the LTS support. And here they will be giving, my dear students, 3.11 released in where? 2020, 10th October 24. Next, 3.10, 2021, 10, 24, just 4. Now you see, the end of support is 2027. That time they will be giving LTS support. Like your college is affiliated to the college, once your college is doing well, they will give autonomous for 20 years. Like that. And then it's the most important, and no student knows and nobody will explain it, because these are the, in Python 3.11, what are the new features present? They will explain, they will be given a public draft in the form of what? PEPs. Your favorite answer? Python enhancement proposals. Spell out once. Python enhancement proposal. Like when you go to Java, they will be giving JEPs, 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 Java enhancement proposals. When we learn C language, total lifetime of the faculty, same topics. 2023 come, 2025 will come, 2030 will come, same topic. That's why students are not getting jobs. Don't live in theoretical world. C language is also increasing its content. C++ also increasing. All enhancement proposals will be going on adding. In the classroom, you must learn what? All enhancements you need to learn it. As you are adopting the new fashions by yourself, you need to adopt new topics which are enhancement happening in Python language. So always we must learn about what? PEPs. What is PEP? I will explain in the class. When you go to an interview, they will ask you, what is PEP 664? And you will see this side and that side. Where is my faculty? You did not explain. They will ask you. And what is a PIP? What is PIP? What is PVM? They will ask you so many questions. You'll say what? Only full forms. Right? Because of that, nothing will happen for it. I'll be explaining PIP 3.10. What is the PEP 619? 3.11. What is the PEP 664? All these enhancement proposals I will explain in the class. Are you able to get it? Right. Now I will be downloading what here? Go to the downloads. I'll download what? Python 3.11.2. And one more small point I want to say. Before downloading, I would like to say one small history I want to say. Python version history. Python version history I want to show you. Wikipedia. History of Python, some Wikipedia I want to show you. There it will be given a detailed documentation. So he is called right side person is there. He is called our father of Python. And coming to this place and version history I am showing. Please look at that carefully. A table is given. Always you must monitor this website. Come on here. Started with what? Actually 0.9. It is a 1991 actually. Beginning. 1991. See that officially released. February. And what is the month? February month 20th is a date. 1990. 1991 February I said or not? Right. Now 1.x you see, my dear students. This is 1 point thing. It is first releasing date 2000 year. After this is called 1.x series. After that, what is there, guys? Python 2.x. 2.x does not compatible with what? 1.x. See, my dear students, 2010 it was there. 2020 it was providing the support. 2020 end of full support. 2020 and first release in 2010 and it is supporting where? 2020 January it's ending. Coming to the next part, you see 3.x feature started with 3.x. There you see it is 3.6 and 3.7. This is in some different color. This is in some different color. 3.11 is under, 3.12 is under. You please come on to the point. What is this 3.1? You see, what is this now? Older version. And still you come to this symbol. What is this? Older version still maintain. What is this 3.11? Some different color. Latest version. And the latest version. And 3.10, 3.12 is what? Future release. Like that you need to answer in the interviews. Are you getting the version system importance? How many versions are there? Even if you can't go for Java versioning system also, tables are there. Wikipedia will maintain it. This type of knowledge is required for you. In your resume also you need to maintain. Student will do what? Skill set, Python. What Python you know? I will ask you, which version of Python you know? You will find a strange question. What is this version he is asking? What you know? 3.9 or 3.10 or 3.11 what are the PEPs you know? This type of programming is required. So, are you understanding this? Go to that. Version history, one graph is also there. One graph is also there. 1990 and 1995. See the graph of it. This is related to 1 point related, 2 point related things, and then 3 point related things. Later, older version still maintaining some different colors are there. Are you able to follow this? Now, after that, lot of enhancement proposals they are giving for you. This is the way you must remember. And this is the notes. Don't maintain the notes for hundreds of years. Same answers will not be coming. Next year, 3.12 will come. We cannot tell what I'm explaining today. This is the information I'm giving for what? Today, what is the version? Every day you must be a student of what? Updation must be required. Are you getting what I'm talking? Well, so how many versions are there for Python? Right. Number 1, Python 1.x. Is it under use? No, it was outdated. Next, what came later? Python 2.x. Is it still maintaining? No. End of support in 2020 January 1st. Next is called outdated. And Python 3.x. In 3.x, what is the current version now? 3.x. What is the latest version now? 3.12. 3.11. What is the future version? 3.12. In current version, 3 varieties are there. What is the current version? First of all, Python 3.x. Spell out. Python 3.x. What is the latest version? 3.11. What is the future version? That type of knowledge is required. And this is not permanent for next year, next year, next year. You have to update it by yourself in this website. Are you getting? Right. Students in online, are you able to follow me? Right, ROM, RAM. Bug fixing means still it is under documentation form. I already told you. Still it is under documentation form. Once a document is finalized, they will make it as secured. I'll tell you that. Bug fixing stage and all. Okay, students, come to the official website now. Come to the official website. Now I'm going to say. And let me go for one small thing, students. I will uninstall first. Control panel, I will go once. And I will uninstall my programs. 3.11 already I'm having here. I'll just look into that and I will uninstall, students. And then I will go for installing. Because already if it is there, already I have some in my system. You install by yourself, I don't want to say. Let me uninstall my 3.11. Then I will install this. So I'm going to control panel, which is already having a 3.11 that I'm uninstalling. Then I will install after this process is over. After going to home, do the installation process. Okay. Since I'm already having 3.11, I'm just uninstalled. Now I will show the installation procedure for you. Now, So that is uninstallation successful. Let us go for the installation process. Downloads, and all of you look into students, you need to click on where 3.11.2 and it will be downloaded immediately in the bottom right left corner or not. You know already downloading because we have very good knowledge on downloading videos, right or not? So you will download more videos that will take GBs, movies and etc. This will take only MBs. You click on that, observe the bottom left corner. You see that it is the bottom left corner. It is downloaded or not? In a fraction of seconds, it will be downloaded. Now, if you want to see that is downloading completed, you can click on that and you can say what? Open. Or you can go to where? Downloads option will be there or not? In that you are having what? Option today. You can double click on that. Shall I double click on that? Double click on that. It is asking one type of operation. Install Python 3.11.2 64-bit. There is some options are there. One is install now. One more is called custom installation. When you go for custom installation, you need to specify the location. D na, E na, drives are there na. You need to specify your own location. My advice is you can go for that, but don't go for custom installation. Let it install in the C drive only. Understand? And you need to select that. Before selecting, you please look into this once, my dear students. What is that? Add to the path. Python.exe to the path. When I come to the path, I will explain in my class. There I will explain is separately environmental variables. In the environmental variables, two types are there. User environmental variables, system environmental variables are there. That I will explain separately for you. At present, this is not the way. Not necessary to discuss because I will give everything from the 0 level onwards. So you need to select what here? You need to select this tick mark. So I will say what here? Select. Tick mark is coming. Are you following me? And click on what now? Beginning, don't click on install. Please select this. So I selected this, add to the path. Then you click on where? Install now. Once you start installing, this is started installing. This progress bar will be coming. So once you say setup is under progress, within few seconds, this is setup successfully, will get it. Setup successfully will be getting it. So once the setup is successful, my Python program is ready to work with the Python coding. Ready to work with the Python coding. Now let us watch carefully. Python 3.11.2 we are installing. 3 is called major version. 11 is called minor version. The 2 is called alpha beta version. Setup was successful. Did you understand? Right. After completion of it, sir, how to go to my software? How to work with the Python statements? Now I will go to. Start button is there? Come on, guys. Start button. Start button. Already you know start button. Right. Go to where? All apps. All apps. All apps here. Click on all apps. Start button. Go to all apps. And then there is a Python. Once you say P, and you will get what? Python 3.11. You click on that Python 3.11. There are two ways are there to work with it. Python ideally is one of the way. Python command prompt is one way. You click on the black screen. This is first few days. First 1 week I will tell in the class. Next I will tell you this 1 week. After that I will go to the industry IDs. Industry IDs I will enter. What are the industry IDs? One is called PyCharm. One more is called Jupyter Notebook. One more is called VS Code. One more is called Spider. One more is called Eclipse. One more is called Google Clamp, Sublime Text, Atom. These many number of IDs are there. In industry, we will use those kind of IDs. Once you know one IDE, other kind of IDs are easy. Just like driving, you know very well, any car is called okay. Once you know coding very well, any IDE is called very simple. We don't know driving only. If you have hundreds of cars, no use of it. Are you getting, students? Now, I'll be showing to you, this is a PyCharm related, data science related things if you go for it, and Jupyter Notebook is the most famous one. How to install the Jupyter Notebook, how to install the PyCharm, how to install the VS Code, step-by-step process I'll explain. So today I'm going to what? Playgroup level programming. That is called what? All apps. Go to the Python here. I say here, Python 3.11. Click on where? Python 3.11 command prompt. Click on this black icon and this is open. And it is having some small in font. I will go to the top of it, properties, go to that 36 font and the bold fonts, say okay. Now it is going to be little bit bigger one. So 3.11.2 is my Python version or not? Now I want to print the data. Hello world I want to print. In C language, to print the result, we will use what? Printf. We will use a printf. In C++, if I want to print it, I will use cout. If I want to go for Java, we will use a system.out.println. And nobody knows what is system, what is println and out. Nobody knows, including you people also. Because I'm asking what is system practically, how it is connected and how it is connected, total information. Because people will buttify this statement. And coming to Python language now. In Python, we use a simple and LKG level of explanation of what? Print. Print means what? It will display the result on the console. Console is nothing but what? Monitor. See students, print of hello Python world. Just I am writing a simple message here. Hello Python world. It is going to give you the message like this. Are you getting me? Next, yesterday's class, straightforward. Calendar. Print of what? Calendar dot month of 2023 and then what? March month I want. Is it a calendar is coming or not? Import what? Math dot POW of 2,3. 2,3. What is the meaning of POW? By looking at it, you can understand. 2 to the power of 3. 2 cube is nothing but what? 8. Are you following me? So math dot sine of 90. Sine of 90, how many? So it is called 0.89. 89. It's not 1. I have already shown you. First day you said sine 90 is 1. After that you shocked how dangerous Python it is. So after that they did what? Rounding. When they go for rounding, that will become the answer for it is called 1. There is a beauty behind that sin x series. Did you understand? So all sorts of things can be done in this Python command prompt. This is a Python command prompt I am having. In this place, I can tell you the first few days, only 1 week or 10 days, I will tell you the coding on this level. After that, I will go to where? Ideally, I will go for it. Please look at that. Please look at Python ideally. What is the difference between both of them also I will explain. Ideally also I will show you. There also I will show you. Import what? Calendar here. And print off what I am seeing. Calendar dot month of 2023 comma April month, coming month. It is going to come like this. Import what I am writing. Math as m. And print of what? M dot factorial of what? 4. Factorial of 4 is called 24. What is this factorial? Math, calendar, they are called last class what? Modules. Learning Python is equal to learning about what? Modules. Only theory learning, it is equal to our 21 years education. Why students are not able to select in companies? Because zero knowledge in coding. Without coding, getting as a developer, getting as a software engineer is impossible. When layoffs are coming, who don't know coding? Out. So coming to the point back, I hope you are understanding about where do you download it? Come on. What is the downloading process? I need not write downloading process in the notes. Where do you go? www.python.org. www.python.org. There we'll choose what? Downloads option. Everything must be there in your picture. I should not write that. Go to where? Downloads 3.11.2. That I can download. Suppose if you are interested to download 3.10, go to where? This 3.10. 3.10 is there. 3.10.10. There is an option called what? you click on this download. Are you getting, students? Whichever version you want, you can download that kind of thing. All the downloading things are available. They are giving in terms of what? In terms of what also? They are giving with a date also when it is getting released. Are you getting this? Right. So the overall conclusion in today's class is historical development of Python and makes our laptop ready by installing Python software. Is it clear? Yesterday, little tension because that words and everything is so dangerous. Web application development, business apps, text processing, audio, video, complex mathematical calculations, audio, video calculations, embedded applications, CAD and COM, IoT based applications, automation of testing, animation, data analysis and data analytics. These are all the coding standards I'm explaining in Python. I started today what? 0 level. Like that daily I will take to the peaks. And in demo session, hyping and the last session is going to sell or no. This class is little branding for Python. Almost in online 300 plus, in offline almost 225 students are there. It is more than 570, more than 550. It is no other classroom will contain this. So you try to understand, try to practice and come to the class. In the day one, I told that only. In the day one, what I told in the 6 p.m. in the about the course, when I said about the course, I said these 3 things. This is an important thing for the individual to become an expert in Python. This you have to do it. On behalf of you, I cannot do punctually coming to the classes, practicing my examples, read my notes. I cannot do. If you do it, you'll be coming. All my examples are from here because real-time companies will conduct the test from here only. To answer such questions, it is not a joke. A normal student who is coming from normal background, they cannot understand. They can't see the problem. They can't understand English also. So to understand it, professionalism is required, problem understanding skills required, analyzing skills, logic development is required. How to become a logic developer, I'm explaining in the class. So such a type of things. And to learn this Python, no need to know about what? C, C++, Java, C#, .NET. A dummy student also can learn Python because the trainer is important. Trainer will see and the student has to do this type of things. And irrespective of your background, BCom, BA, MBA, MCA, that is not a problem. Today we have seen overall conclusion. People don't know previous knowledge and you don't feel it because I'm speaking facts. I don't want to praise you. You know already something. You will feel that what? I know something. Sir said, no, you will go to interview. That interview will be becoming big 0. In the class only, I'll show what is the reality. And if people don't know even just the basics of C language also. What we studied, that is only theoretical life. What we are studying here, most practical. Anything I speak, I'm showing practical in the class. Right? Anytime when I speak some word on the screen, you would ask immediately, sir, show the program. I will show the program. Without saying the program, I will not leave you. For every word, I will show the program in the class. So don't believe if anybody says the sentence. You immediately ask me, sir, show the program. You apply the same thing first to my class, later you apply on other classes also. Because if I see the CSC students as on today, what is RDBMS? They know only full form. They don't know anything about it. Then how they will get the jobs? That's why whatever is happened. In my class, this is something like a class. Yesterday, what you are, it is immaterial to me. It is immaterial to me. After the class, what you are, you just question daily, not at the end of the class. Daily progress is required. Before my class today, you don't know anything about versions and you are going out of the class. You self-evaluation is required by yourself. What I understood today, you read immediately after going to home. You practice immediately and see that next day how you are. Right? So it is something like a beauty parallel. Before my class, 200 kilos. After my class, just 75 kilos. Lightweight student. Like a paper jumping everywhere. 200 bulldozer is required. So, cannot go to any interview. Without subject is a bulldozer is required to lift that student. Even relatives are there. CM recommendation is there. 1 month, 2 months they will see. 3rd month removed. Correct or not? That's why, irrespective of your background, Python is the most first choice language for the learners to become as an expert. Did you understand? So before wind up the class, having some questionnaire, answer my questions, everybody. Who is the father of Python? So some implementation started in 1989. Began in where? Conceived in which year? 1980. That years not necessary. That whether you are remembering or not, I am testing. No interviewer will ask you. As a teacher, I am asking. Who is a non-commercial organization maintaining Python software? Python Software Foundation. Don't be lazy. PSF, SFI, all this ABVP, not like that. Who is maintaining Python software? Python Software Foundation. At the time of student time, if you feel lazy, then how can you give the reply in the interviews? So when you become a job, you be lazy. Now, before learning getting the job, don't be lazy. Follow my guidelines strictly. And how many versions are there for Python? What is the first one? Python 1.x, Python 2.x, Python 3.x. Python 2.x does not have compatibility with. Is it good or bad? Very good. Because of no background compatibility, no backward compatibility, we are writing the less code and more meaning. If backward compatibility will be there like Java, they cannot achieve the goal of what? Less code and more meaning cannot be done. Just for a minute, I will show you, students. Because I am from pure Java background of my entire career, I'll show you one small thing here. Java version history. Java version history. Even Java 1.21 also came. Java 21 also came. They are unable to meet the Java. They are unable to meet the Java. They are unable to meet the Python. Java 21 came. Still they did not catch the Python people. Python is still under 3 only. They went for what? 21. And this last 5 years, they went for what? From Java 6 to where? 21 they went. Still they are going on enhancing to catch the Python speed. Impossible to catch it. Because they are carrying what? Previous compatibility they are carrying. Because of that, it is becoming complex to the programmers, not becoming easy. Same thing, old version, latest version, future version, everything is given like that. That's why we must habituate to understand the industry standards. Understand, students? Right. Is this today's class is clear for everybody? Yes. So what is the current version? Python 3.x. Python 3.x. Don't say 3.x to 2.x. It is not cinema related titles. Python 3.x. What is the latest one? 3.11. Future one? 3.12. Will you remember this? And don't tell the same answer even next year also. Next year, before going to interview, you see that Python version history. See that. My explanation basis, you upgrade by yourself. And this is my class ending now. I will enter into tomorrow class. Coding level I am going to start. That is called what? Features of Python I am going to start. And Python inspired from. This is what I am going to discuss tomorrow. So today, versions, downloading Python software. After going to home, make your Python software ready. Whatever I am explaining in the class, daily you read and practice it. And tomorrow I am going to enter into what Python software provides, what services it will provide, how to use the services in my coding. I will explain. How many features are there in C language? Features of C language. Dennis Ritchie has provided so many features. Not even one student knows. Features of C language. Not even one student knows. You ask your teacher who taught to you, they'll get shocked. Who gave this idea to you first? That's why we are not able to write simple coding also. Unable to write simple project also. So whatever is happened. Nothing to worry. And you are becoming a Pythonist to know about what? Features of Python is my tomorrow. Subject is started today. Tomorrow I will carry the second topic in my course. Okay now? So 6 o'clock we'll join tomorrow. Thank you, students. All the best. Online students, you can hold on. I'll discuss with you. Latest one only will teach them 3.x. Old version not necessary to do. 3.11. 10. 3.10 is also still under latest one only. 3.x will teach. వినాలి మీరు వచ్చి మీరా ఓకే 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 మీరే నాకు తెలియదు కదా మీరు మొబైల్ చూస్తున్నారా అనుకో మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అట్లే ఉంటారు కదా అట్లా హడూప్ స్పార్క్ అనేది బిగ్ డేటా కిందకి వస్తుంది దీంట్లో డేటా సైన్స్ లో చెప్తారు అది హడూప్ బిగ్ డేటా ఇంజనీర్ అంటారు అది దాంట్లో డేటా సైన్స్ లో పార్ట్ అది అది ఒకప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసేవారు ఇప్పుడు అంతా పై స్పార్క్ అనే ఒక మాడ్యూల్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు దీంట్లో బిగ్ డేటా ఇంజనీరింగ్ కోసం సో ఎర్లియర్ దే యూస్ టు యూజ్ జావా నౌ దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్ పైథాన్ చాలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను మా క్లాస్ లో నో ప్రాబ్లం దాని తప్పలేదు నేనే చెప్తున్నాను కదా లెర్నింగ్ పైథాన్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ లెర్నింగ్ అవుట్ మాడ్యూల్ సో మెనీ మాడ్యూల్స్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ which faculty already so many working people are there in online all my in my 7 o'clock around 500 people 300 people are already working people no you can happily continue రేపు మాట్లాడుతున్నాం మీతో టుమారో because online students right students in online yes am I audible to you people my dear students yeah okay students Rajni first student Rajni please put your doubt straightforward so that I can speak to maximum number of students okay students thank you students who are responding Rajni please you unmute immediately so that I can speak to maximum number of people put your doubt straightforward okay Neelima student name is Neelima
hello sir
yes ma please Neelima
sir is there you are going to teach the class of web framework Django
is a separate course ma Django is a separate course that is a separate course that we will teach you that is a separate
when it
course
will start sir
that is
when
separate
the
course ma that is separate course after Python half of the thing is completed that time it will start okay
okay sir thank you sir.
Next Nayak student name is Nayak please Nayak next Revanuru
hello sir good evening sir
good evening Revanuru please
what is the difference between major and minor version sir
that's what I said ma major version is completely technology changing from the scratch level if they are changing they will go for what major version change small modifications some enhancements are doing they will go for minor version change
okay sir thank you sir.
right ma
hello
Nayak please
good evening sir
good evening Nayak
actually sir at present I am working as a desktop support engineer and
okay.
also I am very weak at mathematics sir
no
so
problem
can I switch my and I am interested in the data science field so can
100%. See I am
switch
telling
my career
only
into
one
data
thing 100%. See, I'm telling only one thing. See, student, mathematics knowledge is required. If anybody feel like that, it is the indirectly the faculty is not teaching well. Mathematics knowledge is not required. Mathematics application explanation required by the faculty so that you can understand. Suppose 2 plus 3 I should not tell. I should tell what applications of plus operator I have to tell so that a non-mathematics student also can understand.
So that
Understand?
will
my-
make possible me to go into
100%.
data science field.
100%. There is no, depends on the teacher. I am saying that is what I am saying to you. Depends on the teacher, how they will take the class. Suppose, for example, you take my class. I said, I don't want any basics. I said, from my side only, I will tell you everything for you. I will explain mathematical related applications. I don't expect mathematics from the student. I will explain by myself to you.
Can you provide the data science class also, sir?
Right now, I'm having all slots are full with Python. If anything starts, I will tell you that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
Thank you very much.
And next is called Lavanya. Student name is called Lavanya. Please put your doubt straightforward. Lavanya.
Hello,
Please put your doubt.
sir. Django really necessary, yes, sir?
Django, instead of learning Django, you can straightforward go to data science. That is having higher end career.
అంటే రెండు ఇంటర్నెట్ రిలేషన్ Django కి data
Django
science.
is a web application development. Yesterday you were there.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I told that that is details about what you know. Web application development, if you want to do using Python coding, you need a technology called Django.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. And next, Ansela. Student name is Ansela.
Hi, sir. No doubt so far.
No doubts. Okay, ma'am. And next, one more student is Sushma. Student name Sushma.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma. Tell me, ma.
Sir, you will teach only advanced and Python or full stack Python.
It is both core and advanced Python will be discussing, right?
Okay. Sir, what is different Django and Flasko, sir?
That is different, ma. Web framework
Okay.
technologies they are called.
Yes, web technology is called Django. And Flasko, sir?
Huh?
Flasko.
Flasko, no, Flask.
Sorry, sir.
So that is called what you know. That is also another framework which is not in the industry. Much demand is not there.
Okay. Sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So next, my dear students, please hold on. Hold on. Varun, I already told you the difference. Security means it is a public draft and MNCs are using. Bug fixing means it is not using in the industry. In coming future, that bug fixing will be made as secured. That time people can use it. Naresh.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Naresh. Please tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm a currently working person as a cybersecurity analyst
Good.
from one of the MNC company.
Yes.
Sir, I just want to know that actually I just want to learn this Python course because of upcoming days there is a machine learning and deep
Yeah,
learning. So you
100%.
already told that in a demo
Yes,
classes.
yes.
I learned that.
Yes. In cybersecurity
how
level
can
also, you will be getting penetration engineer.
Yes,
So,
sir. Yes, sir.
there you will use completely Python coding.
Yes, sir. That's the purpose. I just want to
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
learn the Python classes actually.
Yes.
Sir, how can you differentiate yourself from the Udemy classes? Because our company
See,
is
ma,
providing
I cannot
a lot of.
comment
Yes, sir.
on Udemy. You listen my class and then that lecture. You listen, both of them you listen. You only decide it.
Yes, sir. Actually, our
Hmm.
company is already giving me the
That's true.
business
Because if I comment on something,
subscription
na,
itself.
my dear student, one thing I will tell you. Suppose if I comment by myself, it is not good now. A student has to decide who is the best.
Yeah, of course, sir.
That I
Yeah.
leave to the choice of my students only. That is a open request. You
Yes,
listen
sir.
anything
Yesterday
and
it's-
listen my class also. and
Yes,
decide.
sir.
Hmm.
Yesterday itself, I was there in the class, your class.
Yes.
So after your class, I just visited our business subscription bank. I mean, I just gone through your
Hmm.
Udemy classes. There are a lot of 72 hours and 100 days of challenges for Python.
Hmm, hmm.
So I just gone through the lot of videos, but I just I'm just confused about that. This is what the
Yes.
difference. I just want you to know,
So you
because
listen,
I'm also from Hyderabad, and
Yeah. Yes.
so I just want to differentiate yourself. I mean, so I just want to know how can you differentiate about the Udemy
That
classes, and
only
how
one
what the
that
main
question.
reason
That question, if
why
I
should
say
I listen to you only?
no, that's what. If I say by myself now,
Yes, sir.
I tell you one small thing. In your place, what you are listening, you see network programming, multi-threading. Whoops, you listen it. In my class, you see whoops. How many examples I'm telling, and nobody can explain these many things in any of the classes. You see
Yes, sir.
whoops features.
Absolutely.
You see in my class of whoops recently, your batch before starting, you see that whoops you listen it. Any topic you take it. Whoops I'm showing. You see classes concept. You see how many examples I'm saying. You listen of any person thing, they will explain 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Whoops is over.
Yeah, yeah.
You see my examples. You see this only one small thing is enough. Syntax for defining a class, you open it and see my syntax and take a pic of it, listen that, and then decide it. Because if I go on saying now, hundreds of merits I can tell about myself. Because if I tell like that now, it is not good from my side. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Self-boosting is not required. If my lectures will boost the student knowledge, I am the luckiest person. And student is the lucky.
Of
That is
course,
what I am saying to you. I cannot boost by myself because I am in 26 years of teaching, and I am in I'm from core area of Java, and I recently, from last 10 years, I am teaching this Python language.
Of course, sir. Actually, yes, sir. Actually, this is the purpose of the vision, because the upcoming days are machine learning and automatic robots.
100%.
As
That is
you
only
told
Python will be there
yesterday
in upcoming
class.
days. That's why we have to
Yes,
learn
sir.
ourselves.
Yeah, of course. Those
listen that
those
you
days are for Python only.
Listen your things and these things you listen and decide by yourself. Okay, na?
Yeah, of course, sir.
Attend to 3, 4, 5 days classes. You attend it and listen my classes. Features tomorrow I am starting. You listen their features and differentiate by yourself. How practical I will show you. How they will cover only theoretically. You decide it.
Of course, sir. Money is not matter here, because knowledge. Of course, sir. Money can't buy the knowledge at any cost. I know, and you know, of course, you are my lecturer.
Yes.
So yeah.
Okay.
So money can't buy the knowledge.
Yes, that is an important.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Of course, I will be there in your class. Of course, at any cost.
Yes, ma'am.
So
okay. You only will say,
sure.
Naresh, I will remember you. I will ask in the middle of the classes, your thing and my thing. Let me enter into the subject. Then you will see miracles in my class. And you will say, sir, how much difference is there? I will ask you. You will say, sir, 80% difference. I will listen from your word. Today I'm saying, today is a Wednesday. Next Wednesday, I will ask you, what is the difference? And you will say that.
Sure, sir.
Right?
I'm pleasure for that.
Right, ma'am.
Sure,
okay.
Sir.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. And next is called Pawan Pranav, my dear student. Pranav. Student name is Pranav is no. Pranav Gopal.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Pranav.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, ma, please.
Sir, actually, I'm currently studying BTech second year.
Okay.
So I have some doubts regarding this Python.
Okay.
So for a fresher level, if we want to get into a better paying roles or job,
first of all, better pay roles, if you want to get it, first of all, we have to improve our coding standards.
Yes, sir.
Better pay is later. First, they will check your coding standards. Once you know coding very well, you will have endless pay. Endless. There is no end for your career. That much high payment will be coming once you have programming part.
Yes, sir.
So sir, first we have to improve our coding. Tell me, ma.
Yes, sir. Sir, like, do they really, does language really matter for data structures, sir?
100%. See, to learn data structures in your college, C language they are using or C++ they are using? If
C
we don't know
or
language, if we don't know the language, we can't write any code.
Yes, sir.
And people will say when they come to stack, they will say only what LIFO. When they come to queue, they will say FIFO. What is the real-time implementation of stacks where we can use it in real time? That type of applications has to say. I'm a PhD in data structures, design and analysis of algorithms. Nobody can explain that because in IBM, in OS development, these data structures are rigorously using.
Yes, sir. Sir, my actual doubt is like if we were to learn completely Python and using Python, if we implement data structures, like companies, like I've heard somewhere like companies are a bit specific towards this kind of language like Java or C++. Does it really matter? Like
now I already shown you in the class in TIOB index popularity of Python, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you're saying yesterday, day before yesterday also, right?
Not day before, sir.
Yesterday you have seen it now?
Yes, sir.
So why Python is topmost language? Because it's the next trending language. As Naresh said, he's a working professional. Next coming days is only on Python.
Yes, sir.
Because you are a student, just only in college level Java, C language, C, that is only the traditional course. Because we are in the industry, we are having what is happening in industry, we know.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is what I had in my mind.
Okay.
And
learn Python, see that next level course you are learning.
Yes,
okay.
sir. So if I were to go into the data science stream, like do data structures are really important?
Not necessary.
So like for a fresher level, if I were to learn only related to data science or this kind of stream, like the whatever technologies which are required for data science, like what will be my options for getting into the roles? Like, do we really have fresher level roles?
Put your doubt, clearly put your doubt. So don't drag your doubt. Put your doubt straightforward so that I can speak to many people. Put your doubt straightforward.
So at the beginner level, do we really have jobs currently for this data science roles?
I told that only. When we have very good, extraordinary knowledge in coding, we will be getting the jobs like anything. There is a lakhs of jobs are there and data science, but professionals are not there because of what? Lack of coding.
Okay, sir.
So opportunities are always plenty of opportunities are there, but the required personals, required talented people are not there. There is always scarcity in the coding part of industry. Improve the coding. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next student is Yashwant. Student name is Yashwant.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yashwant, please.
Yeah, my doubt is not about today's lecture, but about our total course.
Yeah.
So after completing this course, am I able to solve problems?
I told already in the first day only, you will solve like anything provided if you do this. I told already in the class.
I mean,
you must attend the punctually.
In exams like Wipro.
That what hacker ranking, these are all called what? Beautiful things, even IBM level kind of things. You must practice that. Only without practicing solving Wipro, IBM, impossible. You have to practice my notes. You have to practice the reading the notes and you have to attend daily classes. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Right. Next student is Ronnie. Student name is Ronnie.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, presently I don't have laptop, sir. Can I do the program through phone for 1 month? Is it possible, sir?
What, ma?
Presently I don't have laptop, sir.
Okay, ma.
Can I do the programs in phone, sir? Through phone?
No, no phones programming. Online compilers, no use. That is not at all possible. You come to Hyderabad, we have a very well-established lab is there. You can sit for lab for hours together and you can practice. So telling practice in mobile, because as a most experienced faculty, I don't suggest practice in mobile. Because
can I come over there and practice, sir?
You can practice, ma. You can come to institute, you can practice. The lab is there, beautiful lab is there. You can work on it.
Any charges, sir?
No charges, ma. Already you are joining the courses, so we will be giving the lab for free.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. This is all the doubts.
Okay, ma.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, ma, right. Thank you. Next is one more student, Kanaka Durga. Student name is Kanaka Durga. Right. Next, Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya.
Hello.
Sri
Good
Vidya.
evening, sir. Good evening,
evening.
sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Ma.
yesterday we had a discussion. You told me that because of 13 years of this pass out, okay, I should take one more course, data science, okay, with Python. So my question here is, data science is a complex, completely complex thing. I just tried the webinar, okay. They are going a little too fast. So I just wanted
That's what
to know.
I said, ma. That's what I said. It all depends on the faculty. That's what I said. From the day one onwards, I'm saying faculty should have a commitment to make every participant to understand in the session. Going fast is only 1 minute. Going fast, even if I go faster, I cannot get these many students. 300 students above in online, 250 students in offline. Going is very fast is very simple. Understanding the lecture to every student is an art of the faculty. Is a commitment to the faculty. So if
Yes,
they
sir.
go fast, we can't do anything else more.
So now my question is, since they have to complete a complete data science in 3 months, they're
They have to teach at least 4 months.
they're selecting all the things little bit as per the requirement. Okay. My question here is, should I just join the Power BI separately and this Python separately, like separate, and I should do, or with
First,
Python directly I can join data
see,
science?
ma, one thing I will tell you, ma, Sri Vidya, first you complete the Python for 1 month. So you will get 100% clarity on that subject. Then you have multiple paths will come in your mind. This is my advice.
ఓకే సార్. ఎందుకంటే నేను వర్క్ చేయట్లేదు, salary రావట్లేదు. ఇట్స్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ మీ టు సస్టైన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్? ఐఎమ్ రెడీ టు వర్క్ హార్డ్ ద హోల్ డే, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్? నేను ఓన్ గా కూర్చొని ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలనుకున్నా, ఇట్స్ నాట్, ఐఎమ్ అన్ఏబుల్ టు గ్రాస్ప్ ఇట్.
ఓకే,
అవ్వట్లేదు.
సో నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే మీకు అంటే డోంట్ బి కమ్ టు ఫ్రస్ట్రేషన్ స్టేజ్. మీరు ఏంటంటే కొన్ని ఒకటి వినండి జాగ్రత్త. మీకు సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏమైందంటే మీకు అర్థం అవుతాయి ఏంటంటే మీకు ఫర్దర్ ఏం చేయాలనేది మీకు బాగా ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
సో ఇప్పుడే మీరు అన్నిటిలో జాయిన్ అయిపోయి మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. యూ జస్ట్ గెట్ 1 month క్లారిటీ ఆన్ మై సబ్జెక్ట్. సో విల్ గెట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ అవేర్నెస్ అబౌట్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
Don't join all the courses because you'll get confused. First of all, you will not get a time to read that.
Okay, sir. One more question. Practicals మీరు అక్కడికి వచ్చి చేయొచ్చు అన్నారు కదా, దానికి పర్టికులర్ ఏమైనా టైమింగ్స్ అట్లా ఉన్నాయా?
ఎనీ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ కమ్, మా, ఎనీ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ కమ్.
ప్లస్ అక్కడ ఎవరైనా ఉంటారా మనకి హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి?
All mentors are there. Mentors are there, and you will not get a single doubt to in the programming, because I will explain crystal clear magical coding. I will explain to you. You only will say, sir, it's extraordinary, you will say.
In the lab, we can use our laptop. We can
no, we have our systems. We have our systems. You can sit. If you bring your laptop also, you can bring it. We can
bring and we can take their help while doing if we have a doubt, right?
You can.
ठीक है, sir. Okay. Thank you.
And next, one more student is Venkatesh. Student name is Venkatesh.
Hi, sir.
Venkatesh, please.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Venkatesh, please.
Sir, what is PEP, sir?
PEP. That are called enhancement proposals, my dear students. Suppose when 3.11 is coming, they are representing in the document what are the new features are available in 3.11. So like a user manuals are coming when we buy some item in the automobile sector or not?
Ratings also changing nearby, sir. PEP.
Enhancement proposals, ma, they are called enhancement proposals. What they added in that version, they are going to tell in that. Okay, ma?
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Right. Now, next is called, next one more student, Dinesh, my dear student, Dinesh. Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, please. Hello? Dinesh, please tell me. So he went off. Srujana Akula. Srujana.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, for every new release of Python version,
I'm getting low voice ma from
module-
your side. Please speak clearly.
sir, hello, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Are
Tell
you-
me.
For every new release of Python version, new modules will be included, or what are the changes will be there, sir?
I'm not getting your voice properly, ma. Please take care. And next student is next student Varad. Student name is Varad.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Varad, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Varad. I am from Maharashtra.
Okay.
Sir, what is the duration of this course?
Still same voice, ma. Lagging. Your voice is lagging.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, what is the duration of this course?
The duration of this course is 3 months, my dear student. Deep coverage of the coding.
Okay, sir. One more question, sir.
Hmm.
I am doing diploma in 3rd year, sir.
Okay.
I have 1 year of gap. So I am
Yes.
doing this course, sir.
No problem.
This is
For
okay?
Python is concerned, even 3-4 years gap is there. There is no issue. You improve your coding like anything, you will get the job.
Okay, sir. But I am a diploma student,
No
sir. not
problem,
a
student. Diploma,
BTech.
you say BTech. Today I asked a question to BTech students who is sitting in front of me. They don't know that. And 250 students are there. They don't know anything about the C language also.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Language is
Sir,
important. Knowledge is
Okay.
important. Okay.
Okay, sir. Do you know Hindi, sir? Sir, Hindi language?
Hindi not an issue. I can understand, but not completely. I can understand it.
Okay, sir. No
Right.
problem. Thank you, sir.
Right. And next student is Syed Mahbub. My dear student, Syed Mahbub, please.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Syed, please.
Sir, actually, I am not from India. I am from Bangladesh. I heard about your class from a friend who took it from you.
Okay.
And I
thank
was
you.
just, this is a demo class for me, and I was wondering, like, if I want to move forward with the class, how would I go ahead and complete the payment?
My dear student, you just listen 2 more classes. You listen. Payment is not a hurry now. You listen 2 more classes. You feel more comfortable. You first payment is later. First you be comfortable with my lecture and try to listen more and more. And then if you satisfied fully and more practically, then next alternative we will look into that. Attend 2 to 3 classes. Still attend it. Okay.
Okay. And sir, are your classes every day this time?
Yeah. Same time, 6 to 8.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. And dear students, now time is over. Now tomorrow class, I'll clarify the other people's doubt. Thank you. Take care. All the best.